Hey guys, good morning. Happy weekend. Spend a day in my life with me today, guys. So today is Saturday and I'm supposed to still be in bed because it's still quite early. It's around past 8. I'm supposed to still be in bed because I had like a stressful week. But for some reason I woke up early. I've kind of been restless and I'm not even feeling so well. So because I've been trying to be consistent on YouTube since I was awake, I was like, why not just vlog my day, right? So that's what I'm going to do. Don't mind my unmade bed. I'm going to be laying in my bed very soon. Guys, I woke up early today, like I said, even after I said I was going to sleep in, like I was sick yesterday. I came back from the office, I was literally shivering. I had sore throat, my head was like light, my eyes, oh my god, and I was like, oh, I'm going to treat malaria. Also, guys, I burnt myself this morning. See, look at that. I bought myself, like my sister was using a curling iron on a hair and I didn't know, right? I didn't know. She kept it on the bed and I was on the bed and I didn't know. I just like turned and I'm just trying not to think about it because I don't even want to think about it. I've been burning this year. I've had 3 burns. See, look at this one. Look at this one. It's not making me feel like I'm a rough person. Like it's making me feel like I'm a rough person. It's making me feel mad, like I'm mad at myself, but I just don't want to think about it. It wasn't something that I did intentionally, even though this one was intentional. I'm not going to tell you guys the story about that. I don't harm myself. Oh. It was just like I didn't expect the fire to come out, so I burnt myself. That aside, guys, don't let me bore you with too much talk. What I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. I'm going to prep for work. Even though today is Saturday and I can do it tomorrow, but I feel like since I'm not able to sleep today, tomorrow I'm going to sleep very, very well. So I'm going to like pick out my clothes, the clothes I'll wear to work on Monday. I'll pick them out today, iron them, and I have a lot of work to catch up on. My online classes, I'm also going to catch up on those and just see how the day goes. So yeah, first let me seriously figuring out how to wear to work can be a chore. I don't know. I've been thinking, what do I wear? After this one, I'll just go and sleep because I've taken medicine. I need to rest. Then maybe later when I wake up, I would iron and then catch up on other things that I have to do. Let's try on these outfits. I have like a couple of outfits that I've put together, but I have to try them on. Can we show my mom? Are you sure? Guys, I can't make this up. I saw another 100 naira in my pocket. So guys, I just got home. It is past 7 and I'm quite tired. I still need to iron. So I don't know if I'm not able to iron today. I'll probably just iron my clothes tomorrow. Yeah. So I got quite a number of things, but the one I'm most excited about is this chopper chips. I've been seeing it online and I just tried to get it so I would understand what it is all about. They said it is a sour bite. Anyhow, I want to eat now. I'm hungry. I've not eaten like good food at all day, so I want to eat. And I don't know if I'm going to be ironing. I would take you guys along. If not, maybe tomorrow. I know I said it's going to be a day in my life, but it might just be a weekend in my life. We never can tell. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, let me eat and I don't know, I might sleep. If I have the energy, I might iron. But I know I'll see you guys again.
Through words, through your declarations. Next Sunday, we're going to talk about the power of confessions and declarations.
So guys, like I said, today is Sunday. I want to rest. I want to sleep. Even though I still need to catch up on a little bit, just a tiny bit of work, and then I'm going to sleep because tomorrow is another day, another week work day. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.